Hello and welcome back to Susanne Kurz Coaching and Media. Today's life hack is about decision making, or rather about finding out what decision you have already made in your conscious or subconscious mind, but are not aware of. Sometimes you actually know what you want and what your decision is, but you don't know it consciously. It's not clear to you. So here's a technique that I learned a couple of years ago, but just remembered now. So I thought I'll share that with you. Maybe it helps somebody. And this technique is just throwing a coin. And now this is not about waiting which result the flipping the coin brings and then sticking to that. It's actually more about deciding what the number and what the image is going to mean for you. Is it a yes or a no? Is it option A or option B? And obviously this is mainly a good technique for decisions that have two options. For more complex decisions, it's not as easy to implement, although you probably can do it with a few workarounds. So you decide what the number on the coin means and what the image means to you. And then you flip the coin and observe that when you find, while the coin is still in the air, that you already know what you want, what you wish that the result should be, then you already have your decision. Now, if that doesn't happen, wait for the result, look at the result and observe your initial emotional reaction to it. Do you like that? Are you happy about it? Or are you disappointed or frustrated? Either way, if you have an emotional reaction to it, you also have your answer, the decision you actually want to make. So that should help you in decision-making processes. So just wanted to share that. Hope it helps someone. If it helps you, you find that useful, then let me know in the comments how you're faring with that. And also give the video a like if it's useful for you. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon again, which is easiest if you subscribe to my channel, obviously, because then you will see all my videos. Hope to see you soon. Wish you all the best, have a good time, and bye for now.